You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this confusing word and clarify the pronunciation here. If you want to learn more vocabulary, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. British English and American English pronunciations are similar. Perpetuity. Although the American pronunciation would be more as perpetuity with a flap T for the last T. That sounds like a D. So perpetuity. British English, perpetuity. Stress on the tu syllable. Perpetuity. American English pronunciation, how to pronounce perpetuity. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.